it's a great tool that I can, one, use myself within my classroom and making sure that it's accessible for all learners, but also for working alongside staff, class teachers. We can chat together about making sure they've got an inclusive classroom environment. And I just find it really helpful because it gives you everything you need within the document. So you can go through and you can look, and it gives you all of the strategies that you may want to use, and you can apply them. And I think they're really accessible as well for everybody. Actually, I'm finding this child in my class, I can't quite pinpoint what it is, and I can't quite pinpoint where the difficulties are, but there is something that I really need support in, and it's really useful for me just to have the circle document and to say, actually, why don't you go and look at this, and then we can come back and we can review it together, because then we've got the list of, right, what are the main concerns, how can we support it, and then how can we work as a team. And that's what I really like about it, because I've got a really solid thing that I can refer to, and then people can come into my classroom and they can see that I'm also using it in my practice as well. And I think that's important, that I'm not just saying use this, actually I'm using it. And I've noticed the impact. For one child that comes along to my class, they find it really difficult to engage in learning, to work alongside their peers. And so actually when I'm working with that child, I'm looking at the supports and strategies, and I'm saying, right, okay, well, I need to directly say that child's name, because that's the only way I can get their attention. Or I need to make sure that that child only works with particular children, because there are children that I know that they can have difficulties with, and it's just about making sure that you're tailoring it to that individual child. And I think that's really important, and that's why I really like the circle document.